Hi, welcome to the Ingredient Channel, where I share easy-to-follow, healthy homemade recipes every week. In this episode, we're making a tasty veggie stir-fry. Bell peppers, or chili peppers in general, and potatoes are another ingredient match made in heaven. Potato is a very versatile food nonetheless. Chili peppers add the crisp and freshness to make the dish more interesting. Let's check out the ingredients. For decor and more healthy benefits, let's add a small carrot, potato, Korean chili pepper for spicy taste, and the bell pepper. Slice the carrot. Then the potato. Make sure the slices are with similar size and thickness, about 1 to 2 millimeters thick. Soak the potato slices in cold water to remove the starch from the surface. Remove the membrane from the chili pepper. Cut it into smaller pieces. Do the same for the bell pepper. Mince a few garlic cloves. Ready to stir fry. First, we will fry the potato slices. I'm using my parchment paper technique in place of a non-stick pan. Since we washed off the starch from the surface of the potato slices, the chances for the slices to stick on the pan is low, but I would rather not to risk it. Medium heat. Once both sides are perfectly seared, take them out. Then fry the carrot. Wait until the carrot slices get soft. Take them out. In the heated pan with the leftover oil, add the bell pepper and chili pepper pieces. Stir fry. Oops, a piece of carrot sneak in. Not your turn yet, please be patient. Dark rice vinegar. Once the pepper slices get soft, add the potato and carrot slices. Light soy sauce. Salt. quickly stir fry. Garlic powder and garlic. Stir a few more times. Done. Add a pinch of sugar before serve. The sugar enhances the sweetness of the potato and the carrot. The potato and carrot are soft but not soggy, soaked with the spicy juice. Not too spicy, just enough to stimulate the appetite. Bell pepper is crunchy and sweet. Simply delicious. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks and see you around.